Curious about someone's TikTok bio? Well, buckle up because I've got your back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to unveil those intriguing bios. So without further ado, let's get started. So first things first, open up the TikTok app on your trusty device, and once you're in the app, navigate your way to the search bar. You know, that little magnifying glass icon at the top of the screen, and just type in the username of the TikTok user who you want to check the bio and hit that search button. Alternatively, if you're curious about the bio of someone you know or you're already following, then take a shortcut and scroll through your followings. So once you've found the user, click on their profile to dive into the details. Now, you will be great with their TikTok page showcasing their videos and other information. Now, their bio section is typically located just below their profile picture. So, this is where you get the scoop on who they are, what they're into, and maybe even some links they shared. Some TikTok users get creative with their bios, adding quirky details or funny stories. Don't forget to check for any clickable links they might have dropped, as it could lead you to more interesting content. And that's it, a simple detailed guide to viewing someone's bio on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.